Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from this shoot, and this one is from the downtown with Leslie, and I'm editing from the back this time. So let's get started. I'm gonna add more contrast, and I can see that a little bit too bright for this spot right here. I'm just gonna patch it so that it's not too bright in the background. So the first thing I'm gonna do, and the second thing is a little bit distracting, is this one and this one on the edge. I'm gonna just do a cropping and crop down to see how it goes. And yep, so I can crop it closer, kind of like that. Yeah. So overall, I'm gonna smooth the skin a little bit more. Just slightly smooth the skin in here. And a little bit of the shadow removal here. And then continue to smooth the skin. Okay, undo this one. Okay, so this is good, and I'm gonna smooth the skin quickly. Yep. So the next thing I'm gonna do is adjust the level, and I'm gonna increase the contrast. This is a little bit the white dot right here, so I can crop that out so that it remains the right third area in here. So yeah, the overall is much cleaner for the background, even though it's nicely blurred out from the 85mm F1.2 L EOS R. But this is I like the clean background as well. So this is the cropping and cleaning up the background. So I'm gonna do a quick portraiture 3. So let me see. Okay, so that's done, and then export it. I'm gonna copy the one that we have and then paste it to here. Is too bright, this one. I'm gonna reduce the exposure a little bit and change the orientation, kind of like this. Okay, still a little bit too bright. I'm gonna just increase the shadow. One more time using the shadow. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit closer, crop around the edge of the tree right there, but I don't want to be too close to the leg as well, so leave some room in here. And next one, I'm gonna smooth the skin a little bit here. Just smooth the skin a little bit in general and increase the shadow. So overall it's much cleaner in here. This one I just leave it like that. If you don't want this one, it's not too bright right there, so I just leave that one. Sometimes it's not too distracting, I just leave those untouched. So next, portraiture 3. And I'm gonna keep it short, around 10 minutes for this one as well. So just do a quick edit. Sometimes I have to choose the spot. Let me choose this one. Okay, let me save it to see what's happened. Okay, it's not very I'm gonna do it one more time. It's not very obvious this time. I just leave it by default this time, so I don't click the color selection right there. Sometimes if you cannot select that right color, it's hard to. Let me see which one. Okay, yeah. So once you see this is the nice shadow skin tone, and if you have a nice mask on it. So let me do this one more time. Okay, so this one is better. And export. Okay, so this one, overall the bokeh is nice, and I'm gonna reduce this 4:5. Much headroom toward the top, because the eye is looking up. I can have more room to the side, so it's pointing up to the diagonal area, so you can have more room to the side as well. So like this, and then reduce the exposure, and then I'm gonna adjust the skin a little bit. Okay, and then just do a couple of times until I get the smoothness that I want, and then I smooth it out a little bit right here. Okay, so that's good. And then just do another smooth skin. Overall smooth skin area, and then save it. Slightly add in crop a little bit more. You can see the preview right here, so I can have a little bit more room on this side than this side, because the body is leaning toward that side. So I can slightly adjust. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so this is overall is good composition for me. And then add it in portraiture 3. Okay, once it's safe, yeah, I select the color. Okay, so you can see that it's nice, smooth, and then I export this, and I have some more to do, but I think today I'm just leave it here. And these 3 files that are the one that I added today, So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.